I like your shirt. Oh, thanks. It's new. I got it last week. Did you get anything else? No, just the shirt. Where did you get it? I got it from the weekend market. How much did it cost? It cost about $12. Really? That didn't cost too much at all. Yes, it's a good price. Do you like to wear hats? Yes, I like to wear hats, but in the winter time when it's cold. Do you like to wear jewelry? Yes, I just have the ring that my friend gave me. What do you think about the fashion? I don't think it's important to be in fashion. Do you have a pierced ear? No, I don't have a pierced ear. Do you have a tattoo? Yes, I do. What is the tattoo of? It's a big blue scary monster. Oh, can you see it? Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Okay, here's my tattoo. Oh, wow, it's pretty. Thanks.